What's up guys, that fast take my salam, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well, I'm also well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Special Tech 14. So today I'm talking about the motorcycle accident lawyers. So let's start. The motorcycle accident lawyers at Munali law get result. Okay, when a motorcyclist is hit by a car, truck, or another large vehicle, the results can be catastrophic with little protection from the impact. The motorcycle rider may suffer life-threatening injuries that make months or years to heal. The aftermath of a motorcycle accident can be a harrowing time physically and financially. As the injured victim, you have the right to seek compensation. To get full compensation for your injuries, you will need an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer on your side. Okay, then your choice of law firm matters. The motorcycle accident lawyers at Manly Law Personal Injury attorneys have more than 60 years of experience representing injured victims. Our award-winning personal injury attorneys have recovered large settlements and verdicts for injured motorcyclists throughout Pennsylvania. We have constantly been recognized as the best lawyers in America and are board certified by the National Board of Trial Advocacy. Most importantly, we get results. We fill out our contact form or call for a free construction today. Okay, then how much does it cost to hire a motorcycle accident lawyer? Okay, our motorcycle accident attorneys work on a contingency fee basis. This means that you do not pay a fee unless we win your case. If our lawyer is unable to successfully resolve your case, you will not owe a fee for our services. Furthermore, you will not pay anything upfront or out of your own pocket. This way, the cost will not stand in the way of your access to the best possible legal representation. It will give you the opportunity or to not worry about how to pay legal fees in addition to your medical bills, repair costs, and other expenses you are dealing with because of the motorcycle accident. Once the case is settled or reaches a verdict, our fees will be deducted from our recovery. Okay, the initial consultation is absolutely free, so you risk nothing by speaking with our motorcycle accident lawyer about your case. Okay, then what does a motorcycle accident lawyer do? Okay, a motorcycle accident lawyer is a personal injury lawyer that can help you file a lawsuit to recover losses following a motorcycle crash, such as current and future medical bills, rehabilitation and physical therapy, lost weights or lost earning capacity, pain and suffering, mental and emotional anguish, altered quality of life. Okay, then in the roast cases, a motorcycle accident lawyer can help victims' families purpose wrongful death claims against failed drivers. Here is how a motorcycle accident lawyer can help with your claim. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you need more information, you can join this website and other website. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Special Tech 15 and like, comment, share, support me. Goodbye, tata, assalamu alaikum.